We're going to talk about sales with percentages in two different contexts. First, we're going to talk about a sales tax. A sales tax is a charge collected by the government for the sales of goods. A sales tax is equal to the selling price times the sales tax as a decimal. So the sales tax, the cost of the sales tax is the selling price times the sales tax, percentage as a decimal. If you want to find the total price, you then need to take the selling price and add this new sales tax price that we just found. Let's go ahead and work through this example. A new Blu-ray player costs $136.99 in the store. What would be your total cost if the sales tax is 7.5% in Alachua County? And we'll round to the nearest cent. So there's two methods we're going to work through to solve this. The first method is calculating out the sales tax and then adding that to our selling price. So our tax is going to be the selling price, $136.99, and we're going to multiply that by 7.5% as a decimal. Remember, as we go from percentages to decimals, we're moving the decimal spot over 2, and any blanks we fill in with 0. So this is going to be times 0.075. That gets us to approximately $10.27 as our tax. Then to find the total price or the total cost, we're going to take the selling price of the Blu-ray player, which was $136.99, and we're going to add the tax on top of that, $10.27. When we combine those, we'll get $147.26. So here we've walked through this two-step process where we find the tax and then add that to the selling price to find the total. The second method is to combine this into one step. And so if we know the Blu-ray player costs $136.99, the Blu-ray player cost is 100% of the cost. We then had an added cost with this sales tax of 7.5%. And so overall, we're paying more than the full price of the Blu-ray player because we have that tax on top of the price. So what we can do is combine these. 100% plus 7.5% is going to be 107.5%, which if we write as a decimal, because we do need to take the sales tax percent as a decimal when we find these prices, we move our decimal place over to the left 2 and we get 1.075. So now we can skip straight to finding the total cost to be the original cost, $136.99 times 1.075. This is taking into account the original price and the sales tax in that decimal, and you get the same answer, which is $147.26. Either of these methods work when you are asked to find a total cost including sales tax.